Samoa New Life, Samoa Entertainment TV. I think the 18th today of May. It's a beautiful day here in Auckland, Otara. Ole Tayaola Stona. My flea market di Otara. The flea market di Tuai Alene. Rồi thôi là market di Mangele, di so. Yeah, Manrua, I think tomorrow. But ole kuleo wala aina. Did put na utan tu tangata Samoa lo payalan tu market di ini. Quite a lot of people. This place is pumping every Saturday. We've got beers, yeah, Kakoku Abba. Great job. So all the vegetables, yeah, and fruits on this side. Well, out in the winters, there was fruits for winter time. It's coming through. All the pears around here. Watercress,
Ani lihat tuh koriander.
Quite a bit busy place here at Otara Market. You can see. This is more of diversity of all people, and yeah, apple water. This Tongan carrots. Kalau ia may konga, it's quite big. It's a Tongan carrots. It's $4.99. It's quite big, huh? Que veo la po o cargo. Veo con người quê ya ta to. It's like white carrots. Oh, the music, everything goes. You could sit. You can see it's quite a busy place. It's like a saba, I think. Yeah. Taco Israel. Hello. I'm good. I saw you in Samoa last week. Okay. Set up. Have you sold the car? Have you sold the pickup in the street? Oh, okay. Yeah. Này, tato. Taga Samoa pala ko marketing eh. It's one of the biggest store. Let's take a walk around. There's some plants down here. Yeah, couple. Feeling moldy. Got cucumbers here. And we got this. So this side only wakon ngimo couple fruits and vegetables. Thì điều ý kia cái ngay ta tụ tang ta sa mo lo pa yala ko store le. Used to be many of them. Sa ko kili ang ay ka kang pa yala ko market ya wo. Này sa mo le pa yala to. You can hear a lot of music. Yeah, tapo polo o kasi polo. Quite a lot of them. Đều để xuống taxi bây giờ này taxi một công ấy là cặp cũng như này Papa Spot I think Otara Market pineapple, $3, 2 for $5. So let's go over the other side. Kako kat in the middle of the call it. Oleh ku aku ala ngayo kako vegetable mambo fruits. Ôi đỡ bố mày phổi si phải ngăn này kako kako kal thôi mày công ở thì sẽ tao ngần tao để again we'll if you're just joining us now, we're live from the Otara Market, Auckland, New Zealand. Or kayao ni market ki mai otau. Yeah, kako mấy đứa mẹ cậy đũa ca lá, $2 shop. Oh my God. Yeah, apple of Samoa. Beautiful. Wow, amal pisings. Hello, ah. Wala ba nga
Yeah.
So put camera mo. Yeah, we're live from Otara Market, and this is all the food around here. So look at it. If you're hungry, this looks beautiful. Wow. This pork or beef? Beef. Barbecue. Look at that barbecue there. That's barbecue there. Wow.
This pork ribs.
Wow. Very good. Very good. Very good. Thank you.
Yeah.
$10 each. All the food, all the bán ở như là market kili các vùng này. Have a look at these. All the handicrafts around here. Yeah, các vùng này all our food. From the Otara Market Saturday. Let's go. I think the 18th today. 18 or 17?
Not all good. No, all good. Thank you. Got a big one. Everyone.
Yeah, couple all the food on this side. I'm on Payment TV, live from the Otara Market. This morning, the sun is up. It's beautiful. And we'll look at all of this. So we got a lot of fish. Malaw. All the mussels, everything that we have. It's a beautiful day here in Auckland today. Ang so Lesot, may Okilani from Otara Market. Otara Market was one of the biggest markets in Auckland, and maybe the whole of New Zealand back in the days. But there are other markets now. All the market is ngay sa Sibion Tele, Yaukilang, Magunsida ako ayun. Fayusi Market, there are other markets. Look who's here.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, and how are you?
I'm good, how are you going to go? Are you still doing your birthday music?
Yeah, I'm still doing that.
Yeah.
We used to do the market back in the 80s, late 80s, starting. You've been here for 40 plus years, huh?
No, not that long.
That's a long time. And you're still here selling oil? pumping along.
A bit like it used to be.
Yeah. I don't see many of us back in the days here now, eh? Maybe it's still
Well, the few of us still around, but not many.
not many.
I'm not rich like you, sir.
Okay, good to see you. Okay. They're one of the friends that we used to do market. We used to do music here for many years. And he's still going. I've retired. All my business are online now. And the Cook Island stuff. Very nice. Yeah, but there's a lot. I can see some Samoa. And all the New Way and all the other islands. They go from Pulo. And yeah, so that's from us at Otara Market. We mostly cover, but this market is not the same as what it used to be. So you could hardly push through when you walk around in this market back in the days. Yeah. Oh, there are Kitty Market. And some really nice stuff there. Artwork. Yeah, I'm sorry for that in the marketing area. So yeah, what's the thing for it? Yeah, so we're just bringing this morning. But the market there. Yeah. These cars have been here for many years. They're still here. Yeah. So that's it from us from the Otara Market this morning. Yeah, my Otara down there. Yeah, lo pak pa mniatu le tu po I pa ngole maya so sounding ala so taya. Mo matlo ni sila Australia Samoa ya o ni si watunu mama watu to sa ya de kala ku kaya ya mato ne ya pa ni tele tua. Let's